Hello, welcome back. Today we're going to work on replacing the cabin air filter in the 2006 Suzuki XL-7. This procedure is similar for many other models. Basically what you're going to do is just open the glove box here. Make sure it's cleared out because all the stuff will fall onto the floor. Then you want to squeeze the sides here. This side here, this side, right there. So you're going to squeeze them in and let that drop. Now once you do that, you're going to see there's a cover here and two tabs here and another tab down there. So these two tabs. So you want to lift them up . Very careful with it. And lift that out. And then you'll see the cabin air filter right up in here. I'm going to pull that out. You can get your new air filter. The one I'm using is a benzo. Okay, I'll give you the number here. I'll get a good angle for you. That's the part number right there. Now when you install this, you want to make sure you're following the direction of the airflow. So you'll see an arrow. That arrow has to go up. So I'm going to go in just like that. That should slide right in there. You can kind of see it right here. Arrow is up, so the airflow is going up. That's what we want. Now you're going to take your cover. And there's these two tabs right here on this side and this side. They're going to fit up, and then they're going to click on by these tabs here. And once you hear that click, you know it's there. And it's on, secured. Okay, now you're going to lift up the glove box. All set. And that is how to replace a cabin air filter. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like the video and make sure you subscribe.